on that suit that I made. So last video, what I did is I had fixed the box suit with like some gray duct tape. So mainly just for the helmet and the torso part, I fixed it up again with black duct tape because I didn't want to risk painting this or like the lights or stuff. So I did that. Then I just painted the legs because they needed repaints. So they look like that now. There's a gray duct tape here, and that's painted. So then this one, which is also just, yeah, I missed something. That's an oopsie. But I can just fix that up with black duct tape, which I will. Now, as you can see, now it's seamless, but that's black duct tape now. So I didn't spray paint that, so that's gonna be. So now, I'm just gonna skip the process of me putting it on because you saw that last video. So right here, you're gonna see me about now. So now that I got the suit on, you can see the difference. So I'm gonna just do a 360-degree turn so you can see the cringy backside of the suit because it's only meant to be seen from the front. Errors, everybody. You know, click subscribe if you like. I don't know. Click subscribe, click for another video. You do you. I'm not my own pressure. So, oh yeah, by the way, I got a board for all my stuff that I do. So I got the date on here. I got how many days till school. Then I got songs currently stuck in my head, followed by some new mixes I'll make soon. And then my to-do list. Yeah, and I thought that's nice for keeping track of stuff. So yeah. That'll be it. Bye.